Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV news headlines.
Stop ignoring the signs, start tightening security. In a jaw-dropping oversight, a convicted criminal infiltrated a highly sensitive government area. Imagine a government agency, entrusted with sensitive national information, unknowingly hiring a convicted criminal. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a disturbing reality. The individual, previously convicted for electricity theft and court-martial, managed to navigate through the layers of security and obtain a position that gave him access to classified data. How, you ask? Preliminary investigations point to a toxic mix of negligence and corruption eroding the pillars of trust and security from within. The implications are grave. This breach has not only jeopardized national security but also exposed the vulnerabilities in our vetting processes. As the government scrambles to patch these security holes, one question remains: can such a breach be prevented in the future, or is it just the tip of the iceberg? The need for a robust, foolproof vetting system has never been more critical. It's a wake-up call that cannot be ignored.